हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, गुड मॉर्निंग। नमस्कार सभी को। आई होप यू आर वेरी वेल एट योर होम। क्लास 9th, योर टॉपिक वॉइस। टुडे वी विल कंप्लीट दिस टॉपिक। टुडे वी विल कंप्लीट दिस टॉपिक माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स। In this topic we will study if you find is, are, am, was, were, has, have, had, will have, shall have plus MB first, sorry, plus 2 plus MB first. This is the structure. Dear students, I will talk to you a little in Hindi. थोड़ा सा मैं हिंदी में बात कर लेता हूँ। आपको ये सहायक क्रियाएं आती हैं is to, are to, am to, was to, were to, has to, have to, had to, will have to, shall have to, और उसके बाद मुख्य क्रिया की फर्स्ट फॉर्म आपको दी हुई आएगी। तो आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, आपको पैसिव वॉइस में इन पैसिव वॉइस राइट बी इन द रूल नंबर सेकेंड। रूल नंबर सेकेंड, बस ये करना है आपको। नेक्स्ट, यू हैव टू नो व्हाट इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एक्टिव वॉइस एंड स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ पैसिव वॉइस माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स। द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एक्टिव वॉइस एंड पैसिव वॉइस इज एक्टिव वॉइस। इन एक्टिव वॉइस द स्ट्रक्चर इज subject plus helping verb. These helping verbs is, are, am, was, were, has, have, had, will have, shall have plus 2 plus MB first plus object plus etc. The structure of passive voice will be, first rule is object. You have to change the object into the subject. Plus HV means these helping verbs. Plus 2 plus B plus MB third. Change MB first into MB third. Plus by and subject. But you have to change this subject into the object plus etc. Dear student, this is the structure of active voice and passive voice. You will find in active voice this type of structure, and you have to change this structure into passive voice like the way. So now please come to the point. I will talk to you in Hindi. प्यारे विद्यार्थियों, सबसे पहले सब्जेक्ट करता आएगा, फिर हेल्पिंग वर्ब, फिर टू, फिर MB फर्स्ट, ऑब्जेक्ट और ETC। और पैसिव में चेंज करोगे तो इस ऑब्जेक्ट को उठा के लाओगे यहाँ और किस में बदलोगे? सब्जेक्ट में। फिर क्या लिखना है? हेल्पिंग वर्ब। फिर क्या लिखना है? टू, और इसके बाद क्या लगाना है? बी। यानी दूसरा नियम है आपका सहायक क्रिया प्लस 2, और दूसरे नियम में आपको क्या लिखना है? सहायक क्रिया प्लस 2B। बस दूसरा नियम चेंज करना है, बाकी तो वही 3 नियम है जो आप पहले से पढ़ते आ रहे हो कि ऑब्जेक्ट को सब्जेक्ट बनाइए, तीसरा नियम मुख्य क्रिया की थर्ड फॉर्म लिखिए, चौथा नियम बाय लगा के कर्ता को कर्म में बदलिए, वही की वही हैं। लेकिन दूसरा नियम है ये थोड़ा सा चेंज होगा। यहाँ सहायक क्रिया 2 आता है तो हम पीछे क्या लगा देते हैं? बी लगा देते हैं। चलिए, हेयर वी टेक some examples of active voice and we will change these examples of active voice into passive voice. Okay, dear students? Here we take active voice. He is to play football. This is the structure of active voice, and if we want to change it into passive voice, my dear students, the subject is given here, helping verb means is, and to is also given here, and MB first is given here, and football is the object. Look at the structure: subject, helping verb, to, MB first, and object etc. is not given here in this sentence. Okay, dear students? So we will change this structure into passive voice. How do we change this structure into passive voice, my dear students? In passive voice, bring the object means football and write helping verb. What is a helping verb here? Football is to, then be, and third form of play is played. Football is to be played. Football यानी object, change subject, helping verb is to, be, and MB third, change play into played. Write by preposition and change the subject into the object by him. This is your structure of active voice and passive voice. Like the way you will change these sentences into passive voice. Okay, dear students, here I will tell you some more sentences of active and passive voice. The sentence is, she was to cook rice in the morning. In the morning. My dear students, she is the subject, was is the helping verb, to, MB first cook. Cook indicates both a noun and a verb. C double OK cook indicates both a noun and a verb. Okay, cook a verb, first form, second is cooked, cooked. But we say or we take cook a noun means a person who cook food is called cook, means rasoiya. She was to cook rice. Rice is object, and in the morning etc. So you will make or change it into passive voice. Subject she was to cook rice in the morning. Change the object into the subject. Object is rice and subject also will be rice. Then helping verb. What helping verb is here? Was. Then apply to. Then be. And change MB first into MB third. Rice was to be cooked. Okay, बच्चों? Rice was to be cooked. Write by preposition and change the subject into the object by her in the morning. This is your sentence. Okay, dear students, your second sentence of active voice, passive voice has been completed. We will take one sentence, active voice, Mohan had to arrest me. What is the subject? Mohan. Helping verb is had, and to and MB first arrest, me is the object. The structure of active voice: subject, helping verb had, to preposition, arrested, object. Okay, change it into passive voice. My dear students, Mohan subject, had to, arrested, arrest, me is the object. Bring the object by changing into subject. What will be the subject of me? I. Write had to be means object subject, helping verb had, to, then be. Change MB first into MB third means arrested. Okay, then write by. I had to be arrested by, and change the subject into the object by Mohan. Like the way you will transform these sentences into passive voice. My dear students, I hope you all got these sentences, this type of sentence. Copy the sentences from the blackboard by pausing the video, or you may take the screenshot. Okay बच्चों, I think you got these sentences. You have learnt all these sentences. How do we transform an active voice sentence into passive voice? I hope, I wish you a bright future, my dear students. And with these words, I finish my class here. Thank you.